how to change color in Instagram. Now if you're talking about changing the color on your Instagram story, so let me tell you what the problem is. First, you would open up Instagram. If you wanted to add a story, the background color would automatically get chose based on your background, right? So based on your photo, the background color will be automatically chosen. Now what you want to do from here is, let's say you want to go ahead and then basically remove this and you want another custom background. So for that also it's very simple. Just choose any random picture right here. So once you choose any random picture, what we will do is we want to change this to a background color. So tap on the three dots option from the top right, tap on draw. From draw, select the color that you want. So let's say I want the background color to be yellow. I will select yellow color here and I'll just long press over here. As I've done that, it will be changed to the yellow color. Now I can tap on done. Now I want to add another photo on top of this. To do that, open the stickers tab. And from here you can see all these sorts of options where all you have to do is just simply go to the one that says frames or that looks like this and just choose a photo right here now. So now you can go ahead and then choose a custom photo from here, and let me just do that. And once done, you can just add this photo right here and you can go ahead and then add it just like this. And this way you should be able to change the background story color. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.